Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here 55 plus 55 is 20, 44 plus 44 is 16, 33 plus 33 is 12, then 11 plus 11 is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you find and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell here on the channel. We will train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced maths. So take a good look to the resolution of this logical sequence. So 55 plus 55 is 20. How? If I add these two numbers, that is 5 and 5, so 5 plus 5 is 10 plus then again add this number 5 plus 5 is 10 is equals to 20. Similarly 4 plus 4 is 8 and then again 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Now 3 plus 3 is 6. Again 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. So here 11, 1 plus 1 is 2. Again 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So what replaces the question mark? 4. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.